There comes a time in life when belief alone is not enough. A time when you must step into your power, not as someone who hopes for change, but as someone who commands it. To move from being a passive believer to a spiritual warrior, you must awaken to this truth. Your inner world is the source of all creation. Neville Goddard, a visionary of the human spirit, said, "The world is a mirror, forever reflecting what you are doing within yourself." And Bob Proctor, a pioneer in personal transformation, taught us that you don't become what you want, you become what you are. Together, their teachings form a roadmap for transformation, a guide to awaken the spiritual warrior within. Here's the first step: responsibility. A believer waits for the world to change. A warrior knows they must change themselves. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are shaping your life at this very moment. This is not a philosophy, it's a law. If you want a new reality, you must first create it within. Neville said, "Imagination is the only redemptive power in the universe." Close your eyes. Can you see the life you desire? Can you feel it? This isn't idle daydreaming, it's the act of creation. A believer hopes their dreams will come true. A warrior lives as though they already have. The world doesn't give you permission to believe. It responds to the belief you give yourself. Now comes discipline. Bob Proctor described discipline as the ability to give yourself a command and follow it. The warrior's mind is a fortress. Doubt, fear, and negativity are not allowed to take root. The warrior chooses their thoughts with precision, knowing that every thought is a seed planted in the subconscious, which will inevitably grow into their reality. Faith, for the warrior, is not blind hope, it is certainty. Neville called this living in the end. A believer asks, "Will this happen?" A warrior declares, "It is done." Faith is the glue between the inner vision and its outer manifestation. To embody the wish fulfilled is to collapse the gap between imagination and reality. Persistence is the warrior's weapon. Bob Proctor said, "Persistence is the key to achieving any goal." The world doesn't change instantly. The outer reality lags behind the inner transformation. The warrior understands this and persists, holding their vision steady even when the external world seems unyielding. A believer gives up, a warrior presses forward, knowing the shift is already underway. Finally, gratitude seals the transformation. Neville called gratitude the gateway to miracles. A believer is thankful only when something good happens. A warrior is grateful always, grateful for what is, grateful for what will be, and most importantly, grateful for what they know has already come to pass within. Gratitude is the ultimate act of faith. This journey from believer to warrior is not for the faint-hearted. It requires clarity, courage, and conviction. But the reward is profound, a life of deliberate creation where you are not at the mercy of circumstances, but the master of them. So I ask you, are you ready to stop hoping and start creating? To rise as the spiritual warrior you were born to be? The power is already within you. The life you desire is already waiting for you, on the other side of your decision to take it. What will you choose?